Start, Ravi.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Team 5 and we are presenting recruitment and selection process. Next. And we selected the Taj Mahal Hotel. And here is the introduction of Taj Mahal Hotel. Type is public company, founded in 16 December 1903, 117 years ago. Founder of Taj Mahal is Jamshedji Tata. It headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Number of locations of hotels is 100 hotels. And chairman of Taj Mahal Hotel is N. Chandrasekhan. And Puneet Chhatwal is CEO. And the product is Hotel and Resorts. Parent of the hotel is Tata Group. And website www.tajhotels.com. Next. The meaning of recruitment. Recruitment is the process of finding and hiring the best qualified candidates for a job opening in a timely and cost-effective manner. A mission and vision of Taj Mahal Hotel. Vision: the Taj Group of Hotels commits itself to the overall improvements of the ecological environment. It is our endeavor not only to conserve and protect but also to renew and regenerate the environment in which we live and operate. Mission: and embrace talents and harness expertise to leverage standards of excellence in the art of hospitality to grow our international presence, increase domestic dominance, and create value for all stakeholders. The next slide continued by Chetan.
Thank you, Ravi. The next one is recruitment process in the Taj Hotel. Recruitment is done first. They will identify the vacancies and they'll give a notification on their websites from advertisements, and they will display the number of posts available and the post name. For example, if they need a receptionist, they will ask the age and 5 years of experience. And in Taj Hotel, experienced staff will be given as a first preference. Next slide. Selection. The process of interviewing and evaluating candidates for specific job and selecting an individual for employment based on the certain criteria. Selection process. For the selection process, there are mainly 3 rounds. In first round, in the first round, Taj Hotel steps interviewing process. Candidates are divided into groups of 15 to 20 aspirants, and here candidates need to perform the activities which are given attempts different questionnaires given by the selection committee. And evaluation criteria is candidates are evaluated on the basis of uh, criteria such as grooming, poising, and spoken English, etc. Next slide will be continued by Pawan.
In round 3, recruitment selection process, candidates who are shortlisted in round 2 are further eligible to appear for the next interview round in the selection process. The third step for third step. In this round, candidates need to appear for another round of activities and attempt some questionnaires. This also includes a final interview with the panel. However, this Taj interview round may be conducted on a different day as well as city against round 1 and round 2. Next one is evaluation criteria of third round. Aspirant are evaluated on an overall basis, that is on the basis of their personality, knowledge, behavior, and skill set. Important documents for step interview round. Step application form. 1 passport size photograph, class 10 certificates, class 12 certificates, and medical certificate. Interview questions. Why were you interested in this job role? What do you think the role and responsibility of this job? Do you have any experience working in hotel? Describe the time you had to deal with an unhappy customer. How would you feel about working night shifts? These are the commonly asked questions in Taj Hotel interview. Next slide will be continued by Kaveri.
Thank you, Pawan. In a training program, first one is the training. The Data Management Training Center aims to provide training to high performance within the group to act as a cradle of change for Tata executives. And second, designed to develop leadership traits. TMTC is now the learning arms to the data group's human resources functions. The center's objectives are improvement of organizational performance through the dissemination of the latest knowledge and skills among practices managers, facilitation of attitudinal and behavioral changes, and facilitation of solutions for organizational issues, and development of learning organizations. Next. Next. Oberoi Hotels and Resorts. Oberoi Hotels place in Delhi, type of public limited company, history, hospitality, founder of Rai Bahadur Mohan Singh Oberoi, and headquarters in Delhi and India, number of location 33 in 2017, areas served worldwide, key people Prithviraj Singh Oberoi, executive chairman and CEO of Vikram Singh Oberoi, products, hotels and resorts, number of employees 13,000 in 2017, website www.oberoihotels.com. Next. Vision and vision. This slide continued by Shweta.
Thank you, Kaveri. Mission and vision. Missions, they are totally is committed to there is a growth and is a development and welfare. Together will be shall continue Oberoi traditional of pioneering in the hospitality and industries, striving for the excellences in the high potential locations, all the way for the Middle East to the Asia Pacific vision. They see an organization which is aims at the leadership in the hospitality industries by understanding it is a guest designing and delivering the products and services which is enable it to the exceeds there is a expectations. Next slide. Recruitment process in the Oberoi Hotels. Round first is evaluations in the criteria. Candidate are be evaluated on the basis of the criteria such as grooming pieces and the spoken English. Round 2, evaluations of the criteria is the candidates are evaluated on the basis of there is a behavior is a personality, and it is also checked if the candidate has a aptitude for the hospitality. Next slide. Selection process, screening and the job specifications, application form, preliminary interview, employment test, employment interview, checking the reference and medical examinations, final selection and job offers. Next slide. Interview questions. Can you tell me a little about yourself? Second question, what are your weakness? Why are you interested in these positions? What are your salary expectations? Fifth questions, how do you handle the stress and pressures? Next slide. Operations programs, kitchens training programs. Is in New Delhi is 29th January 2014. The Oberoi group has to be opened the online application for selections of the student for it is a systematic training and education program of the step training, hotels operations programs, front office and food and behavioral services, hotel operation programs, housekeeping hotel, hotel operation programs, kitchen. Next slide is continued by Deepa.
Thank you, Shweta. Conclusion. For this study, we learned that how recruitment and selection process done in the hotel organization, and also how they select the company employees, what type of process they follow the recruit the perfect candidate to the job, and also we got the knowledge about what are common questions interviewer ask the candidate in the organization. Thank you. Thank you.